Higgsfield AI is gaining attention as a powerful AI platform designed to push creativity and productivity to the next level. In this video, we'll explore what Higgsfield AI is, how it works, and why it could be the next big thing in the world of AI. I noticed that one of the coolest features of this site is its ability to create high-quality advertising videos using our products. Let's take a look at why Higgsfield is more advanced than other platforms. Simply visit Higgsfield AI or click the link below this video. From there, you can explore all the powerful features, test out the tools for yourself, and start creating professional quality ad videos in just a few minutes. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or a marketer, this platform makes it easier than ever to turn your ideas into reality. The most important thing is that Higgsfield gives us access to the most popular and latest AI platform features, all in one place. From cutting-edge tools for video creation to advanced options for advertising, it brings together everything you need to stay ahead in today's fast-moving digital world. They also organize the platforms and features into clear categories, making it really easy to find exactly what you need. On top of that, there's a huge collection of effects and video creation options available, giving you endless possibilities to design ads that truly stand out. For example, the Higgsfield apps are especially powerful when it comes to creating professional product advertisement videos. They provide all the tools you need to showcase your products in the best possible way, with high-quality visuals, engaging effects, and polished presentation styles that instantly grab attention. Here you can easily upload your product images along with customizable avatars to create your videos. Once uploaded, you can even add scripts or dialogue for the avatars, deciding exactly what they should say. This makes the entire process simple, intuitive, and perfect for producing high-quality advertisement videos in just a few steps. Another great feature is that all videos created on Higgsfield are in full HD quality. This ensures that your advertisements look professional, crisp, and visually impressive, giving your products the attention they deserve.
Hi everyone, you can now get this bag 50% off with my promo code.
If you love creating action-packed videos, Higgsfield is the perfect place to bring your ideas to life. With powerful tools, dynamic effects, and easy-to-use features, you can produce exciting, high-quality videos that captivate your audience every time. Let's create a fridge advertisement. The video templates are already available on Higgsfield, so all you have to do is add your product. With just a few clicks, you can customize the video to showcase your product in a professional, eye-catching way, making it ready to share with your audience instantly. The Higgsfield can create images as well, so make sure to click the video icon when you want to produce a video. After following these steps, you can generate a video just like this. The final result is a polished, professional advertisement ready to showcase your product and capture your audience's attention instantly. You don't even need templates to create your product advertisement videos on Higgsfield. The platform allows you to start from scratch, giving you complete control over every element, from visuals and effects to avatars and dialogue. So you can produce a fully customized, professional quality video that perfectly represents your brand. I choose WAN 2.5 because it comes with sound built in. This makes it much easier to create complete, ready-to-use advertisement videos without having to add audio separately, saving time and giving your videos a professional touch. For this video, I initially used an image generated with Midjourney, but now you can also find high-quality images for free using Google, making it even easier to gather visuals for your advertisements without any extra cost. Now, I'm uploading an avatar image to the platform and adding a few simple prompts below. These prompts help guide the avatar's actions and dialogue, making it easier to create a video that perfectly matches the message you want to deliver. Next, we need to add our product to the video. However, since there's no direct image upload option, we add the product details directly into the prompt. This way, the platform knows exactly how to feature your product in the video, creating a realistic and engaging advertisement automatically. I'll include the product details at the bottom of the prompt. This ensures that the AI accurately incorporates the product into the video, making it look natural and professional while highlighting all the important features. After that, I'm going to use Google Gemini to gather all the detailed information about the product. This helps create a more accurate and compelling video, ensuring that every feature and benefit is clearly highlighted for the audience. This is my product. It's a sunscreen. I'm going to use Google Gemini to gather all the details about it so I can include everything in the video prompt. This way, the AI will have all the information it needs to accurately feature the product in the video, making the advertisement complete and professional. To get an image prompt for your video, simply upload your product to Google Gemini and ask the prompt. This helps the AI generate accurate visuals that you can directly use in your advertisement video, making it easier to create a professional and engaging final result. Next, copy all the product details and add them directly into the video prompt. This ensures the AI has all the information it needs to feature your product accurately, highlighting its features and benefits clearly in the final advertisement video. Now, click the Generate button and wait for the results. The AI will process your prompt and create a high-quality video that showcases your product professionally, complete with visuals, avatars, and any dialogue you added. So, what do you think about the final result?
This one's my favorite sun cream.
So, this is my video about creating product advertisement videos with Higgsfield. The platform offers a huge collection of video creation methods and templates, making it easy to produce professional quality ads. I've included the link below so you can try Higgsfield yourself. Let me know in the comments. Do you think this is good enough to create ads using AI? Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on creating amazing AI-powered advertisements. See you again in the next video. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on creating amazing content with AI.